What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is another parts video, and it is for the gym. Actually, I haven't done one of these in a while. We do parts videos every so often, but usually it's in one area. But this video has to do with our gym, and the parts that we're making are weight holders to actually go in an existing weight rack or squat rack that I have in the garage gym. And also, if you're interested, I actually made almost all of my own weights for the barbell that I've got. I did do a video on that. If you're interested in checking that out, there might be a gym playlist. I don't know. But if you look at it, should be in the parts playlist. But either way, I did make a video on the weights for it. So if you're interested in checking that out, I did do a video on that. But they were just sitting down on the floor in the garage. I didn't have anywhere to put them. So I wanted to make these so I could get them off of the floor, out of the way, and they're right there with the squat rack that I've got. So that's what I did. So today's video, we're going to be showing how I did it. And as far as the pieces that I used a 1-inch shaft. So the hole in the tube is a little bit bigger than 1 inch. I used a 1-inch shaft. And then made pieces that went on the 1-inch shaft that is 1.9 inches diameter, because the weight that I have, I think it's a 2-inch hole in there, which is standard. So these will slide right over the 1.9 inch diameter piece on the actual weight holders and fall down, and they can't just slide off. And then that was an 1/8 inch thick, and then I made another one with a hole in it to go further down, and that's what butts it up against the actual tube on the squat rack, so it can't go but so far in there. And I welded those in place where I wanted them, drilled a hole on the back side, and then got special pins that have a spring-loaded ball in them. So once you pop the pin through the hole, there's a ball in it that pops out, so if you spin the holder that I made, the pin can't just fall out. You actually have to pull the pin out and then pull the actual weight holder that I made out of the hole that it's in. So that's all safe. Nothing can just fall off of it. That's all the pieces and everything, how I did it. Now I'm going to shut up and we're going to go show all the video of how I made these things. that is all for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I have done quite a few parts videos in different areas of stuff. If that's your cup of tea, you can check out all the other videos that I've done on that. Be sure to check me out on Instagram at the Josh Wiley channel. Put pictures up over there of some stuff that you'll be able to see over there earlier than you would see a video here on YouTube, and some stuff doesn't even make it here on YouTube. So be sure to check out the Instagram page and check out watchjoshwiley.com. There's discount codes over there for you to use that if you use them, it helps support the channel. So I'd appreciate it. You guys check that out. And some couple of things that I offer and pricing, stuff like that. If you're interested, checking that out as well over at watchjoshwiley.com. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and get down in the comment section below. Let me know all of your thoughts. Be sure to consider getting subscribed to the channel if you haven't already. That is all for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.